If you want to block or unblock any caller in an iPhone, then follow the following steps. Go on your phone app, locate the number you want to block, click on the eye icon, scroll down, and then click on block this caller and block contact. This will now block the caller. If you want to unblock any caller, then go on settings, search phone app, then scroll down, go to blocked contacts, and here you can see all the contacts you have blocked. Click on edit, then click on the sign and click on unblock. By this you can unblock any caller. Also, if you want to block all the incoming calls in your iPhone, then simply click on settings. From here you have to find focus, then you have to click on do not disturb. Here you have to go on people, and here you can see allow calls from. Here you can select no allowed people only, everybody, favorites, contacts only, or you can also select allowed repeated calls or not. This will make sure that no one can call you, and whenever they call you it will show that you are busy. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please support us by liking the video and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Do visit gossipfunda.com for more tips and tricks.